So this is a quick tutorial on how to schedule in advance your live stream. So as you can see, I am on my YouTube studio. So I'm gonna click on this create button and go live. And then let's make our title. It's called tutorial setup for advanced scheduling of live stream, or LS, or live stream. To schedule it on a later date, you press this button, and as you can see, this is the date today. And then this is the dates that you can put. And then ay aswang sa akong likod samok. And then yeah, it depends on what date you want it to be, but I'm not gonna touch it because this is just a short tutorial. So same as the time, I'm not gonna touch it. So, and no, it's not made for kids. Here you go. Get ready for the picture taking. There you go. There's my thumbnail. And then done. Okay, let's check our live. There you go. I have a scheduled live. Let's go to my channel. And there you go. It's scheduled. And then if I go back to YouTube Studio, I have to go back to YouTube Studio if I wanna go live. So I'm gonna go back to my content and go to my live and hit on this one, my upcoming. That is good. Okay, wait a minute, go back there. And actually I can just hit this view button and it will take me back to this one. So when you are ready to go on air, go live, just hit this button. And there you go. It's counting. There, I'm live. That's easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you're gonna be updated on my future uploads. Yes. Thank you for watching. Then I can end. Dismiss.